Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southern Clark County, Greene County, southwestern Madison County, until 5:45 a.m. At 4:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yellow Springs, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, Bellbrook, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Enon, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Wilberforce, Riverside, Harmony, Lisbon, New Jasper, Spring Valley, and South Vienna. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 67. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 74. The severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign and northwestern Clark counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. for west central Ohio. Please report previous wind damage or hail to the National Weather Service by going to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submitting your report via social media.